So, a warm welcome to NDA Expert Committee members to the presentation of Civil Engineering Department. And on behalf of Civil Engineering Department, myself, I am the HOD of the department. Would like to present brief about our department and what outcome-based education philosophy we are following. I am going to present, sir. If I now the department at glance, sir, department is offering programs BTech in civil engineering with 120 intake and
Sir,
MTech.
excuse me, sir. Presentation mode pattern, sir. Please.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it okay, sir? Now
Okay,
presentation.
okay, please. Um, it is okay.
Yes. The programs offered in the department BTech in civil engineering with 120 intake and MTech structural engineering with 18 intake, sir. And PhD, our department has recognized as a research center and JNTUA Anantapur, sir, it's, civil engineering, and we are eligible to uh, guide research scholars, sir.
Now that BTech Civil Engineering was the 2021 120. Before that,
Sir, started with 60 intake, sir, and that
uh,
is milestones I will show, sir.
no, that
60.
I know. I wanted that 2 years before this 2021. Then before that,
62, 120, 120 to 180. Now,
ah,
2021 academic year, we have reduced to 120, sir, intake.
that means CAY -1 is 180, -2 also 180.
180, yes, sir.
And now one CAY 120. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, please.
Okay. And the current faculty in the department are professors, two numbers, associate professors, five numbers, and assistant professors are 30. Total 37 faculty are working in the department, sir. Right.
Okay.
Right. And all the labs are equipped, many technical staff are working. The technical staff are seven, and office staff are two members are working, sir, with us. Coming to infrastructure of the department, Department of Civil Engineering is spread over an area of 3,136 square meters and 11 laboratories, one digital library is we have. All the staff rooms are equipped with the internet facility, and totally exclusively 8 classrooms are for the department. Out of these 8 classrooms, three are digital classrooms, and one seminar hall is also there in our department. From the inception, research contributions or total publications are 276, sir. Coming to milestones of the department has started in 2008 in RGMCET, Department of Civil Engineering. Then in 2010, it has been granted autonomous status by UGC New Delhi, sir. In 2012, the intake in BTech Civil Engineering has been increased to 60 to 120, sir. In the same year, uh, college has been accredited by NAC with A grade, sir. In 2013, we have two MOUs. That is, one is Institute of Engineers Kolkata and ARK Engineering Solutions Bangalore, sir. In 2014, we have started MTech in Structural Engineering with an intake of 18, sir. 2016, department has received 28 lakhs from UGC as a research grant, sir. In 2017, we have received NBA Tier 1 accreditation for 3 years up to June 2027. In the same year, accredited by NAC for the second time with A plus grade with a score of 3.54 by 4, and the NAC accreditation is up to 2022, sir. In 2018, extension of autonomous status by UGC, we got, as principal said, 10 years we got, that is up to 2027, 2028. And in 2020, we have MOUs with National Highway Authority India and Rupakalpana Engineering. Two more MOUs added in 2020, sir. and department has recognized as research center by JNT Anantapuram in 2020. In 2021, we got NIRF ranking, that is band of 201 to 250, sir. And we have received grant from AICT for UVAC scheme, sir, last month.
Now, in this slide, in that previous slide,
Yes,
that
sir.
in that slide, you are not showing 120 to 180 when it
Yes,
happened.
that is in 2014,
14, sir.
sir. MTech structural engineering at the same time 120, 180
Okay.
has been increased, sir. Now,
Okay, go ahead.
thank you, sir. Now coming to faculty contributions, sir. 2021, Dr. M. Sudhakar received a PhD from NIT Varangal. Dr. Joel Shelton organized one national level technical symposium. Uh, and Dr. C. Rajaram is the resource person and coordinator to conduct international webinar series on research trends in structural and earthquake engineering, sir. For this research webinar, nearly from different countries, resource persons have participated, and it has been a lot of attraction. Many people have joined in this international webinar series, sir. In 2021, Dr. M. Sunandana Reddy, faculty of our department, who conducted FDP on resource person for geospatial technologies in civil engineering, and he also selected as a state expert appraisal committee member, Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India, in the same year, sir. GN Srikanth, GN Srikanth as a coordinator conducted a virtual national conference on recent trends in civil engineering, sir. In 1920, Dr. B. Nagakiran received a PhD from JNTUA Anantapuram. Myself, I was the resource person to conduct awareness program on water conservation and rainwater harvesting, sir. And again, Ramanjanailu, our faculty member, conducted national level technical symposium. Every year we are conducting national level technical symposiums. Joel Shelton conducted workshop on modeling of buildings using AutoCAD. In 1819, one more national symposium conducted by Dr. GN Srikanth, and uh, in 1819, our college has conducted second international conference on emerging trends in engineering sciences and management. I am the coordinator of that, sir. Next, BOS member. I was the BOS member for JNTUA autonomous colleges and also KSRM College of Engineering. These are all the few achievements of contributions of faculty, sir. And SCI Scopus journals, our faculty have published nearly 53, sir, since inception of the department. Coming to students' achievements, almost six students of our ex-students, that is last 3 academic years, they are pursuing their masters in abroad, sir. In Australia, 4 members, USA 1, England 1, and Malaysia 1, sir. And our students are actively participating in extracurricular activities 18, 19, 19, 20. 2021, because of pandemic, extracurricular activities, the number is 0, sir. Co-curricular activities, also a very high number, that is 18, 19, 128 students have participated, and 19, 20, 98, 20, 21, 106 students, sir. Students also every year internships, minimum 50 to 50 students, they are obtaining internship from various organizations, sir. And the NPTEL courses, that is self-study, is well encouraged in our college, our department. So students have secured many certificates from NPTEL and SWAYAM by attending, sir. 18, 19, 146 students, and 19, 20, 190 certificates, 2021, 182 certificates they got, sir. GATE qualified, nearly 13 students qualified in GATE past 5 years. And papers published by the students are 12, sir. One notable achievement from our department, I can say, Machani Naveen Kumar, just passed out 2021 student, selected for L&T Build India scholarship. L&T will sponsor complete MTech in NIT Surathkal, and after completion of MTech, he is going to be observed in L&T payrolls with 7 lakhs per annum, sir. These are all the general brief about our departments, sir. Achievements of contributions of faculty and students. Now coming to NBA SAR criteria, slide 1, sir. Vision and mission of our department. The vision is to be an outstanding department devoted to provide value-based education in civil engineering, which will produce socially aware professionals to provide solutions of global standards. And to achieve that, we have mission statements. That is, one is to impart quality education that develops innovative professionals with research orientation and entrepreneurs. Second one is to prepare professionals with emphasis on leadership, teamwork, and ethical conduct. Next, to undertake collaborative projects and consultancy works with academia and industry. Coming to program educational objectives, department has framed four program educational objectives: uh, assessing societal needs and plan suitable infrastructure, excel in civil engineering and in other allied fields, develop team spirit and interpersonal dynamics for effective execution and management of projects, adhering to lifelong learning and adapt to changing professional and societal needs. Now, the process what we have followed to frame vision, and PEO statements I am going to present, sir. Now, this slide shows that the process which we have adopted for framing vision and mission statements. So, by considering institute vision and mission and taking all stakeholders, internal stakeholders and external stakeholders' opinions, department vision mission statements have been formed and review by advisory committee. If everything is okay and it has been published and disseminated to all the stakeholders and students. Otherwise, again, revision has been taken place. This is a process which we have followed for the framing vision and mission statements, sir. Coming to process adopted for defining PEO, PSO, program educational objectives and program specific objectives. So here we have taken graduate aptitudes attributes, that is POs, which has been defined by NBA, and department vision mission into consideration, and internal and external stakeholders' opinions. Some brainstorming sessions are conducted and framed the PSOs in alignment with POs and PEOs, sir. Then after validation, again mapping of COs, POs with PSOs, and evaluate for improving POs by teaching and learning process. And finally, after validation of PEOs, published and displayed, sir. Otherwise, revised for discussion and BOS, sir, Board of Studies. This is the process which we are following for defining PEO and PSOs. Coming to correlation of PEOs with PSOs and POs. Here, one shows red color, that is low mapping. Two shows blue color, that is moderate mapping, and three shows high, that is green color. Sir, PEO, all the PEOs are mapped with POs and PSOs with different weights, sir. That has been shown here. Now coming to criteria 2, curriculum structure. Again, institute vision and mission and department vision taking into consideration and taking opinions of all external and internal stakeholders and recruiters' feedback and academic peer review. Curriculum development committee has been framed the syllabus and presented in Board of Studies. After taking approval from Board of Studies, it has been given for approval of academic council and governing body. Then regulation, curriculum, and syllabi are implemented, sir. So after framing the syllabus, there are some gaps identified in the curriculum, sir. So those gaps are going to be some actions have been taken place, even for delivery of content beyond the syllabus. So for example, the gap is team building and leadership. For that, what we are doing every year, we are conducting national level technical symposium, so that students, including our college, various engineering colleges, they are going to participate in various events like PPTs, poster presentations, workshop, model making, widgets, so that certain POs are going to be mapped, sir. Then industry institute interaction for skill development, short-term courses we are conducting, sir. Here glimpses I am showing, but every year so many short-term courses we are conducting, and to meet POs and PSOs, sir. Content beyond syllabus for content beyond syllabus. For that, some workshops we are conducting, sir. Then engineer and society. So the passed out students who are alumni where they are working, so we are arranging some interaction with alumni to the juniors so that better presentation by our alumni to the present students for societal responsibilities of an engineer, sir. Next, coming to industry institute interaction, role of structural engineer in the offshore industry. So with Dinesh Adepu, like that, some workshops we are conducting, sir. Next, for critical thinking, some more programs we are conducting for strengthening the POs and PSOs, sir. Now, coming to administration system, which we are following in the department is department headed by head of the department, and there is a department advisory, academic advisory, under which there are some committees like course review committee, student counseling committee, library committee, and research consultancy committee. Under course evaluation committee, exam results committee, project evaluation committee, seminar evaluation committee. This is the administration system which we are following in the department, sir. Coming to teaching and learning process, by taking industry inputs, alumni inputs, academic calendar, subject allocation, and syllabus, the content delivery by using traditional learnings of class notes, lesson plan, timetable, lab manual, tutorial, assignment, and question bank. The content is delivered by using collaborative learning, guest lecture, virtual learning, internship, industry project, industrial visits. After internal assessment, we have identified weak students and bright students, giving some remedial action to weak students, giving some motivational action to the bright students, and after end examination, course attainments are going to be calculated, achieved, the process is completed, sir.
So laptop works. Go to the laptop.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
So laptop is the arrangement interaction.
Next, coming to use of instructional methods and pedagogical initiatives. So, some of the things I am going to present here, sir. Lecture by the faculty members, then expert lectures from industry we are arranging, and from reputed colleges we are arranging. Then coming to e-resources, videos from industries, PPTs, NPTEL video lectures by faculty members. Then collaborative learning, PowerPoint presentations by students, and conducting some brainstorming sessions, project-based learning, conducting experiments in a group by and real-world examples, virtual learning. These are all the pedagogical and institutional method which we are following, sir. Sir, am I audible, sir? Hello?
Yes, it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Please carry on.
Coming to slide 6 of criteria 2, methodologies to support weak students identified by faculty members during their classroom teaching on basis of performance in class tests. Separate special classes are arranged for re-explaining difficult topics and clarifying the doubts, counseled by mentors, regular monitoring and observing them during teaching learning, providing reading material and lecture notes, question bank based on previous year's question papers. Coming to bright students, methodologies which we have followed is bright students are identified from their participation in classroom discussion, performance in the class tests, university result analysis, and interest in co-curricular activities. Providing some gate classes, encouraged to publish papers in and to participate in technical events, encouraged to pursue online certifications such as SWAYAM and NPTEL, encouraged to register for minor and honors. These are all the program outcomes defined by NBSR, that is PO1 engineering knowledge, PO2 problem analysis, design and development of solutions, conduct investigations of complex problems, modern tool usage, engineer and society, environment and sustainability, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication, project management and finance, lifelong learning. Now, in criteria 3, one subject I am taking, sir, just PSOs. First, we will see the PSOs. PSO1, program specific objectives, capability to investigate, plan, analyze, and design of buildings for different purposes such as residential, commercial, public office, recreational, etc., using StatPro and relevant software, sir. PSO2 is competency in preliminary engineering surveys, planning and design of infrastructure like roads, bridges, and designing traffic control systems, etc., using MX roads and other relevant software programs. PSO3 is conduct field and laboratory tests for analysis and quality control of civil engineering projects. The process which we are following for attaining of POs and PSOs, sir. So program, curriculum, syllabus, delivery of subjects with various methods which we have already explained. The assessment which we are taking is 80% direct, sir, indirect 20%. For 80% direct, internal examination, that is mid 1, mid 2, and one assignment. Next, external examination. For indirect, feedback we are taking, sir, from feedback, exit feedback, and alumni survey and placements. By considering all these three things, finally, discussion in academic council is PO, PSO is attained. If attained, it is okay, sir, desired performance. Otherwise, the same thing is repeated here. Now I have taken one subject, how we have framed course outcomes by using Bloom's taxonomy bullet things. Now you can see, sir, here water resource engineering 2. The first one is get the knowledge, CO1, get the knowledge of hydraulic structures and fixing the storage capacity of the reservoirs. So he is going to apply whatever he has learned. So apply is the term here which valid here, sir. Next, coming to CO2, understand the design principles of gravity and earthen dams. Understand Bloom's taxonomy. Get the knowledge of spillways, gates, and design of Vogel spillway. So here we are going to analyze. Next, do seepage analysis through the soil under impervious floors of hydraulic structures. Evaluate. Do analysis and design of canal falls and cross drainage works. Here, design aspects he is going to concentrate. So create is the Bloom's taxonomy bullet word which will be applicable here, sir. Coming to the same, all 5 COs mapped with POs and PSOs with one is minimum, low, and 2 is moderate, and 3 is the high. That is the weight we have given, which POs are mapping here, the subject. That is what is engineering 2. Coming to process of attaining POs and PSOs, assessment tools what we are using, sir. Direct methods, CO attainment, direct 80%. Indirect methods, placements, exit survey, alumni survey. That is totally 20%, which has been divided into equally 6.66, 6.66, 6.66. Next, coming to criteria 4, student admissions, sir. Student admissions last 4 years, which we have given in pre-qualifiers as per the format, our intake is 92.59%, sir. That is sanctioned intake of the program 120, that is 1920 180, 1819 180, 1718 180. N1 is total number of students admitted in first year 98, 2021 98 admitted, 1920 64 admitted, 1819 85 admitted, 1718 109 admitted, sir. Coming to number of students admitted in the second year lateral entry, that is N2, sir. N2 is given here. So here still admissions are in process, sir. 2021 admissions are in process, and 1920 108 students joined, 1819 84 students joined, 1718 50 students. So 2021 totally 98 are there, 1918 172, 1819 totally N1 and N2 169, 1718 N1 and N1 plus N2 159. Totally out of 540, 500 students last 4 years, that is 92.59 is the percentage of students admission as per NBA pre-qualified, sir. Coming to student success, that is without backlogs. Without backlogs, here CAY minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is CAY minus 4, that is last year graduation. If you see, without any backlogs, the students, how many at the 4th year they are passing, which has shown here. So based on that, we got success index, that is 0.19, sir, for 3 academic years. This slide shows success rate with backlogs in any semester or year of study. Here you can see the success rate is 0.69, sir. Coming to placement, higher studies records of students' participation. Last year graduation, that is 1920. So 139 students registered and 80 students got placement, sir. 0.58 placement index. Like LYG minus 1, it is 0.74. LYG minus 2, it is 0.66. So average placement is 0.66, and where we got marks score is 19.8, sir. And the students are actively participated in many events, like organizing. They are organizing events and magazine publication. They are involved in magazine publication every year, and the inter-institute events they are participating, and internships every year they are getting, sir. So coming to professional activities, professional societies, chapters, and organizing engineering events, we have two professional society chapters, sir. One is Indian Society for Technical Education, and the second one is Institute of Engineers Student Chapter, sir. These are all the glimpses of various activities I have shown here, sir. So this is regarding publication of newsletters. Every year we are publishing a newsletter, that is half yearly. Every year two newsletters we are publishing. These are all the front pages which I am showing here, sir. Past 3 years. And initiatives related to industry interaction, and for what we are doing is we are making MOUs with different organizations, sir. In 2021, two MOUs we got. That is, one is with NHAI and Rupa Kalpana, and still in 2010 we got MOU with Institute of Civil Engineers. Still, this is active, sir. We are training their students. Coming to lectures delivered by industry experts and industrial visits. So every year we are some lectures we are arranging for our students from industry experts, and industrial visits we are conducting, sir. In 2021, because of pandemic, we are unable to conduct industrial visit. But whereas this year, last month we received Atal Tunnel visit sanction. So next month we are going to take our students to Himachal Pradesh Atal Tunnel, sir. Coming to initiatives related to industry internships, here you can see two things, are NHAI we got MOU, and we have written a letter to give internship to our students. This is the letter sent by NHAI that they have given the internship to our students, and 8,000 per month stipend also they are going to offer to our students, sir. And coming to criteria 5, the list of the faculty, I am showing it here, sir. Myself, Srinivasulu, Water Resources Engineering, BL Agarwal, Dr. BL Agarwal, Professor, Structural Engineering, Dr. M. Sunandana Reddy, Associate Professor, specialization is Remote Sensing and GIS, Dr. M. Prasanna Kumar, Associate Professor, Water Resources, Dr. B. Nagakiran, Associate Professor, Transportation Engineering, Mr. C. Krishnamraju, Associate Professor, Geotechnical Engineering, Dr. C. Rajaram, Associate Professor, Structural and Earthquake Engineering, Dr. J. Joel Shelton, Assistant Professor, Structural Engineering, Dr. M. Sudhakar, Assistant Professor, Geotechnical Engineering. All other are with the MTech qualifications, sir. Structural and their experiences and specialization, which I have shown here. Same slide. Now 16 to 30, all are assistant professors with ME MTech qualification, and many of them are from IITs and NITs, sir. So totally 37 students, 37 faculty right now working in our department, sir. Coming to supporting staff, 7 supporting staff in our department, and 2 office staff are their qualifications, which I have shown here, sir. Coming to strength of the department, 2 professors, 5 associate professors, assistant professors are 30. Second one is 0 to 10 years experience, blue color. Red color, 10 to 20 years of experience, and 20 above experience, which is shown in green color, sir. Here it is faculty with PG 24, faculty with PhD, faculty pursuing PhD, I have shown it here, sir. And coming here, this is faculty with industrial background, faculty without industrial background. That is without industrial, blue color. So light blue, sky blue color is faculty with industrial background, sir. So their industrial I am showing these 6 members are having some industrial background and their experiences, which I have shown here, sir. Coming to SFR. SFR last 3 years, that is CAY is 2021, 1920, 18, 19, 18, 19. As per submitted to NBA, our SFR is for assessment years 19.03, sir. And 4 faculty are having institute level responsibilities. I'm showing it here myself. HOD of civil engineering, admissions and building works, central purchase committee member, academic council member, BOS chairman, anti-sexual harassment committee member, governing body member, anti-ragging squad. So Krishnam Raju, associate professor, is campus maintenance, library committee, academic council, BOS member, grievance committee, building works, anti-ragging squad. Nagakiran, Dr. B. Nagakiran, associate professor, is in transport committee and BOS member. Mrs. B. Rohini, assistant professor, she is in anti-sexual harassment committee, sir. So this is from inception, how many journals we have published, national journals and international journals, national conferences. Completely, I have shown it here, sir. Seminars, workshops, STTPs organized. Here I have shown some of the things I have shown, sir. Because if I show all the things, the letters will be very small. That's why in some of the important programs which we have conducted last 3 years, I have shown it here, sir. Workshops, short-term training programs, and the keynote lectures, FDPs. Coming to consultancy services, sir. We are having many clients, that is Power Grid Corporation of India, Vasan Engineers, Rural Water Supply, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Reliance Industries, Sharpurji Pallonji Constructions Private Limited, Public Health Department, Government of AP, various municipalities of Kurnool and Kadapa government. So these are all the different years we have done consultancy work, sir. Totally worth of nearly 20 lakhs we have conducted and through consultancy, sir. Coming to R&D projects, right now FIST program is running with 60 lakhs, ongoing it is, and one project already completed and sanctioned by UGC, that is 25.54 lakhs, sir. And our faculty members actively applied to various organizations, the projects, nearly 1.15 crores projects they have applied, sir, to DST, SERB, AICTE, MHRD, STARS. Coming to program specific labs, we have geotechnical engineering lab with a cost of 10.11 lakhs. R. Venkataramana is the technical staff. And strength of materials lab, these are all the major equipment which I have shown. 100 tons computerized UTM we have, and 14.97 lakhs we have incurred here. Naveen Kumar Reddy is the lab assistant, sir. Environmental engineering lab, 8.8 lakhs. Surveying lab, 19.21 lakhs. CAD and GIS, 38.96 lakhs. Many softwares are there in CAD lab. And concrete technology and highway engineering, 20.41 lakhs. Altogether, nearly 1.2 crores we have spent on establishing laboratories, sir. These are all the technical staff names and their designations with their qualifications, sir. Coming to this budget, already our principal has presented in the principal's presentation. This is allocated budget and actual expenditure. So expenditure is little more than allocated budget, sir, for all years. And now criteria 7, what improvement we got to previous accreditation. I am showing it here, sir. Currently recognized as research center for civil engineering to offer PhD program in RGMCET by JNTVA. 2 faculty members are guiding PhD scholars currently under JNT Anantapuram. Department is very active in consultancy works. Almost 20 lakhs worth testing and design works carried out by the department last 4 years. Dr. M. Sunandana Reddy is selected as member, State Expert Appraisal Committee, Ministry of Environment and Forestry, Government of India. We have organized skill development programs in collaboration with AP Skill Development Center, APSSDC, sir. Every year, department is organizing TRACE under RIPPLE program, that is national-wide symposium so that many academic activities like seminars, workshops, guest lectures, conferences, and FDPs. Received grant for a study tour of Atal Tunnel under AICT Yuvak scheme. Number of students last 3 years got placed in top MNC companies. Department is encouraging the students actively to participate in entrepreneurship, sir. Entrepreneurship and e-summit program, they have many students have participated, and our students are participating in RGM Expo so that their entrepreneur skills are going to be improved. Department of Civil Engineering is also organizing many field visits to enhance the practical knowledge. And coming to curriculum improvement, which we have done here, to when compared to previous accreditation, skill development courses are introduced, extra academic activities are introduced, minor degree in other branches introduced, MOOCs have been introduced 3.2 and 4.2, so that many students have done their certificates through their self study, and group discussion mock interviews course has been introduced so that their employment skills will be improved. Industry oriented mini project introduced, honors introduced for academically bright students, mandatory learnings introduced from R19 regulations, Python programming introduced in 2.2 for civil students, design thinking course also introduced in second year, second semesters. If we see before and after, what improvement, MOUs, earlier we have two more added, the improvement is 2, sir. MOOCs, before 2017, the first accreditation, 179 students were done self-study. Now, present it is 518, so improvement of 339 students. Students got internship MOOC certificates. PhD pursuing, earlier it is 5, now present 8. So 3 is the improvement, sir. PhD guideship, earlier 1 only, now 3 faculty members are our department recognized by JNTUA to guide PhD research scholars, sir. Coming to organizing international conferences. So 2 international conferences have been organized from our college, sir. That improvement is 2. National conference, earlier no national conference. Now 1 national conference we have conducted last academic year. That is improvement is 1, sir. Research publications, earlier before 2017, 19 SCI Scopus journals were there. Present it is 53. So there is an improvement of 34, sir. Research center, earlier there was no research center. The civil department has not recognized by JNTUA as research center. Now it is recognized by JNTUA as research center, sir. This is a present improvement. Now coming to entrepreneurship initiatives, earlier 1, currently it is 3, so improvement is 2. Applied projects, earlier 5, presently that is 12, so improvement is 7. MSET ranking also you can see, sir. Earlier the starting rank was 44,612. Now in 2021 it has been improved sufficiently. That is 25,689 was the starting rank, sir. So there is a lot of improvement. Here programs organized also, I am showing it every year how many FDPs, nearly at least 1 FDP we are going to organize, and workshops nearly 3 to 10 workshops we are organizing every year, and short-term training programs also almost all minimum 1 we are organizing, sir, every year. So this is coming to our presentation, sir. Now NBA as per the format outcome-based education which we have followed, I am going to present, sir. Already I explained how COs we are going to form. Now I am going to explain the procedure of. Sir, are you hearing, sir, my presentation? Hello?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. I'll continue.
Continue.
Procedure for attaining level of course. So here, for attainment of COs, which we are following method I am explaining you, sir. End semester question papers, internal question papers, and assignment questions, and how many marks they have secured in end semester exam, internal exam, and assignment. So attainment of each CO has been calculated, and there is a threshold. So threshold we can compare. If threshold crossed, then compare with the previous years, and if necessary set higher target. If no, suggest the actions for improvement of CO for the next year. Here, this is mid one, sir. Mid one percentage of marks. How many marks are contributing to CO1 from mid one? Like that, 2. That means first our mid question paper contains 5 questions, sir. First question is 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, and from second question A, B, 2 sub questions will be there, sir. Each question is carrying some marks and which CO they are contributing. I have shown it here, sir, for water resource engineering 2 subject. This is mid one. So totally 15% of marks are contributed from mid one and mid two for CO1, 20% of marks contributed to CO2, 15% of marks contributed to CO3, 15% of marks contributed to CO4, and 35% of marks contributed to CO5. So totally 100%, sir. Coming to end exam question paper is having 7 questions. The first question, 7 sub questions will be there, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and from second question onwards, 2 sub questions will be there, sir. Here also I have posted how many marks are contributing to CO1, CO2, CO3, all the questions, and here percentages I have calculated. 18.37 percentage of marks contributed to CO1, 16.33 marks contributed to CO2 from end exam. So like this is totally 100%, sir. Now this is end exam percentage of marks, internal exam percentage of marks, assignment percentage of marks. Based on that, weighted average has been calculated by taking weights of marks. Actually, weights of marks from end exam 70%, that is 0.7. Internal test it is 0.25, and assignment 0.05, 5% weightage will be there. So by considering all these weightages, 18.37 into 0.7, 15 into 0.25, 20 into 0.05. So this is the average weightage we are calculating. The weight average of CO1 is evaluated like this, sir, 17.61. You can see here, this is 17.61. How we have calculated here, this explanation. Next, coming to CO attainment of each student. For jth student of ith CO attainment, how we are going to calculate is CO attainment of particular student, that is percentage of marks of end exam into weightage of how many marks he got in the end exam. So, and this is for internal marks and this is for assignment divided by weighted average. So, for particularly, I will show the next slide here. Water resource engineering 2, all the students, totally 138 students are. Particularly one student I will take. He got assignment. The second column is assignment marks. Third column is internal marks. Fourth column is end exam marks. The 103 student, 16091A0 103 student, I am going to explain. He got 5 marks in assignment. He got 22 marks in internal exam. He got 48 marks in end exam. Here I have calculated like this, sir. For that student, that is 16091A0 103, 18.37 is the percentage of marks of end exam. He got 48 marks. 15% of mid exam, he got 22 marks in the mid exam, and 20% assignment percentage, and 5 marks he got. So totally divided by weighted average of that CO1. He got CO attainment is 74. So this is 74 he got, sir, CO attainment. This is the one I am showing it here. 16091A03. He got 74 as CO1 attainment. That example I have shown, sir. So totally 138 students are there in that water resource engineering 2 third year students. So totally here I am showing how many students got 50% of attainment, 82 students, sir. CO1. Between 30 to 50, 39 students. Below 30, 17 students. So I have given weightages like this. 50% attainment, whoever got, I have given weightage is 3, 30 to 52, and 30, below 30, it is 1. Now, CO attainment has been evaluated by number of students having CO attainment greater than or equal to 50 divided by total number of students into 100. That is 82 students, CO1 82 divided by total number of students 138 into 100 is equal to 59 is the CO1 attainment for that batch, sir. So we have put some thresholds. Second year 50 is the threshold, third year 55 is the threshold, fourth year 60 is the threshold. Now this subject belongs to third year, sir. 55 threshold. So all the CO attainments we got 59 and the threshold value is 55. So all the COs have been attained. So that's why I am showing here, sir. Why? Yes. Now coming to project evaluation. Project evaluation, internal 33%, external 67%. Here we have framed one CO, sir. Understand and identify problems in civil engineering and find new or innovative solution with concern to safety, sustainability, environment and ethical issues by using modern software tools, equipment, by coordinating with the group members. So that this CO we have written such a way that all the POs and PSOs are going to be mapped equally, sir. And rubrics what we have followed for evaluating the project works, selection of topic 10 marks. That is, we have observed how socially, ethically awareness of this project and how the development of project plan and distribution of work, how they have done. So for the 10 marks we have given. Performance of the task 35 marks, that is teamwork, technical skills, content knowledge, practical knowledge, together 35 marks given. And for writing skills 25 marks, review, presentation, oral communication, understanding 20 marks, understanding of the engineering core 10 marks. So this is the method of evaluation we have followed for project evaluation, sir. Now I am going to give you the course attainment values of 2016 batch, where when they were in second year first semester, these are all the attainment values, CO attainment values for different subjects, sir. Threshold is 50. For crossed I have put yes, for not crossed I have put no here. So this is for 2016 batch second year first semester. This is 2016 batch second year second semester. Here 2016 batch third year first semester and 2016 batch third year second semester. I have explained for water resource engineering to, sir. This is the attainment I have explained. Now this is for fourth year. So this is regarding CO attainment, sir. Coming to PO attainment, we have followed one particular method, that is CO score evaluation, which I have already shown. 50% of students crossing CO attainment 50, weightage is 3 given, 30 to 52 is given weightage, and less than 31 is weightage given. So that is, we have grouped the students as N1, N2, N3, sir. Total number of students N is equal to N1 plus N2, N3. Here, for same subject I am showing here, sir. Above 50%, the weight is 3. CO1 is 82, CO2 is 82, CO3 is 82. So all 82 attainments are there, CO attainments. So like that, in the band, in whatever the weightage I have given, 39 students are there in CO1. So, and the weightage 117 students are there. The CO score we have calculated based on this equation, sir. That is, now 3 weightage, 80 students are there, and 2 weightage, 39 students are there, 1 weightage, 17 students are there. Total number of students is divided by 138 is CO score is 2.47, sir. So like that, for all CO score we have calculated. After calculating the CO score, PO attainment calculated like this, sir. All the COs written here, CO scores we have written here, and PO, that is program articulation matrix, I am showing it here, sir. Now coming to PO2 attainment, that is 2.49. I can explain you with the help of this equation, sir. Here CO score is CO1 2.47 into 3, 2.5 into 3, 2.5 into 2, 2.5 into 3, 2.48 into 3, divided by total weightage is 14, sir, the PO2. So divided by 14 is 2.49. 2.49 is the attainment level of PO2, sir. Like that, for all the POs we have calculated. This is for water resource engineering too. Like that, for all the courses we have done. Now I am showing PO attainment for 2016 batch, second year attainment levels of PO, and third year 2016 batch attainment levels of PO, fourth year 2016 batch attainment levels of PO. Here total batch PO attainments I am showing it here, sir, in blue color. Now coming to, this is direct assessment, assessment we have done. Coming to indirect assessment. Indirect assessment, three things, that is, one is placements, exit survey and alumni survey. Here I am showing the weightages how I have taken for placements. I am showing here, sir. Greater than 50% placement, given weightage 3, between 30 to 50% 2, less than 30% 1. Here last 3 batches, how many students registered, how many students got placement. Based on that percentage of placements we have seen, sir. For 2016 batch, it is crossing 50%. So PO attainment, PO PSO attainment is 3 based on placements. Coming to exit and alumni survey, which terminology we are following, I have shown it here, sir. This is the weightages, responses which our students have given for POs and PSOs. If they are strongly agree, 3 we have given. For agree, 2.4, neutral 1.8, disagree 1.2, strongly agree 0.6. Now here, this is the example I am showing, sir, for exit survey. Totally 110 students participated for 2016 batch, and 14 students strongly agreed for PO1, 78 students agreed for PO1, and neutral 17 students, disagree 1, and strongly disagree 0. So based on this equation, we have calculated PO1 attainment. PO1 attainment, this is PO2 attainment. 3, sir, 3 into 10, 2.4 into 75. This is strongly agree 3 into 10, agree 2.4 into 75, and neutral 1.8 into 23. Next, disagree 1.2 into 1, strongly disagree 0.6 into 1. So totally divided by total number of students 110. PO attainment 2 is 2.3, sir, from exit survey. Same method followed for alumni survey also. Here how many students have given alumni survey, based on that weightages have been given and calculated PO attainment 2.38, sir. So now here in this slide I am showing indirect attainment consolidated, that is exit survey we have considered, placement and higher studies we have considered, alumni survey we have considered. Average I am showing, indirect batch attainments I have shown it here. And here 2016 batch overall attainment. In overall attainment, direct attainment will come, indirect attainment will come. The overall attainment is for PO1 is 2.6, like that PO2 is 2.58. And we have put a target 75% of, on scale 3 is the target level we have fixed, that is 2.25. For almost all the POs it has been increased, that is for batch it has been increased. But if you see particular subjects, some of the subjects the PO attainments are less. For that some actions we have taken, sir. So this is the total PO and PSO attainments of 2016 batch. I am showing it here. Now how remedial actions we have taken, I am showing it here in this slide, sir. Here the levels and performance quality. PO PSO less than 1.5 unsatisfactory we are considering. That is 2.25 is our target level. Up to 2.25, 1.5 and 2.25 satisfactory, marginal expectations. Between 2.25 and 2.7 good, meets some expectations. Greater than 2.7 and 3 excellent, exceeds expectations. See, I am showing one example, sir, here. PO1. PO1 is target is 2.25, and batch attainment we got 2.6 for 2016 batch, which in the SAR NBA has asked. So here the overall PO has been achieved for a given batch. However, it was observed that for certain subjects, PO attainment was below the target level and was not achieved, and suitable actions were taken for its attainment. Those subjects listed here. Second year fluid mechanics, the attainment is PO attainment 2.13, which is less than 2.25. HHM, hydraulics and hydraulic machinery 2.17. Concrete technology 2.18. Geotechnical engineering third year 2.115. Geotechnical engineering 2.17. Like that fourth year green buildings 1.8. So like that less PO attainment we got. For that I am showing the example for 2 subjects. Fluid mechanics, we have taken 3 actions, sir. Action 1 is visualization of fundamentals through NPTEL videos have been carried out so that the application of concept was understood properly. Action 2 is 3D pictures of the concepts were shown to the students. Action 3 is various pressure measuring and discharge measurement instruments were shown to the students physically. Coming to hydraulic machines, action 1 is students were explained the fundamentals through NPTEL videos for better understanding. Action 2 is students were taken to the laboratory for better understanding of hydraulic machines and structures. Action 3 is field visit was conducted to Auk Reservoir complex for the students along with the faculties so that the students make understand about the dimensional and model analysis topic. There is one chapters are dimensional and model analysis. So the students can understand better way by seeing the prototype. These are all the actions. So for all the subjects, we have carried out the actions. Here I am showing one subject, sir. So this is my presentation, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.